What's up, YouTube? It's your boy NASDAQ Soldier. Back with another live trade video. I don't know what's going on right now in the market, but we're finna see right now. I trade supply and demand. And when it's in the uptrend, I'm gonna look for demand levels to take it up. If it's in the downtrend, I'll look for supply levels to take it down. 200 moving average is my directional bias. But now we got this set up right here. We got our furthest level. We got our extreme furthest. Then we got this one right here. This is our extreme. And we got this one. If sellers come in strong out of there, we'll take it. Oh, we might have to take this one. First trade in. Oh my goodness. We're too late to the party, bro. Caught in the reversal. The first trade. Is this the one? Oh, this the one. We're gonna go for this low. We size down, so whatever happens, happens. Dang. I feel like at that point, sellers should have piled in. Let's see. We might close it. Yeah, I'm finna close it. If it don't reject this area and close strong, I'm gonna... Oh, dang. Oh, dang. I was gonna close it. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yep. I was gonna close it. Alright, we got it set up. We got our level right there. The furthest level. But then we got the extreme right here. We're finna see. We're finna see. I gotta see how exactly I'm trying to look at it. To understand. Because it's gonna be pullbacks. I gotta see how I'm looking at it. Last trade. Yeah, I might have to take this one and just learn from this one though, I ain't gonna lie. Last trade. This is our last trade regardless. But 1 to 2 would be 59. 59.75. That'll be a 1 to 2. 222. Ooh, I was gonna take 224. 230. Well, we made some money back. All right, YouTube, I'm back. I'm gonna edit this video down. It's 240, but shoot. I had took like 2 trades without recording. I know the chart hold up. I know the chart looking messy right now. But this just what happened. Like, think y'all seen all these trades. Y'all didn't see this trade, and it came back. It came back and took me out basically at break even, you could say, but it was like $50 because I put it above a certain candle. But this trade right here, I had seen this. That's where all the yellow lines coming from. I seen this trade on the 5-minute time frame. Like, y'all see, it's not my setup, but I was seeing what price doing right here. What y'all see on the 5-minute time frame. It made that high right there, and it started trickling down, went up. You see, it created that wick, went up. I mean, it came down, whatever it did. It stopped right here in this tracks, went over, sold down, came over, came up a little bit, but then when it started going back up, came down, going back up, then it wicked right here. Y'all, I start seeing this head and shoulders pattern, bro. On the 5-minute, I start seeing the head and shoulders pattern. You see the shoulder right here, the head right here. And I was looking at it, I was like, man, this finna create another shoulder on a 5-minute time frame. I'm telling you, I seen it. And I marked this up as if it was gonna give me a setup. And I went to the 1 minute and I was waiting on it. I was looking at it and I was like, man, on a 5-minute time frame, this mug finna go. I knew it was finna sell. So I had drew up this right here. I had my trend line just like how it is right there. And it sold down right here. I took it. Because y'all know with my setup, I wait for it to get down here outside of this, then pull back into the furthest level. I was looking at it from the 5-minute time frame. And I was like, man, this a whole head and shoulders reversal on the 5-minute. And I kind of try to see it right here, you know, on the 1 minute, but the 5-minute telling it all. And I got in and I was holding this mug. It went to a 1 to 2 right here. I got out before it even made it to a 1 to 2. And I hate that I did because I was looking at it on the 5 minutes. So it's like, man, I should look at the 5-minute basically for my exit. Because like that's how I really, you know, set this up, was off the 5-minute. And I'll tell y'all, man, I think I had it on the video. I'm going to have to go back and see. But I was targeting this low. If I ain't mistaken, this the low I was targeting all day. If I ain't mistaken, this is what I was targeting all day. But I was sitting up in here, up in all this all day. And it finally came all the way dang there down here. So this like a 1 to 6. Like that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It hit like a 1 to 6. It hit like a 1 to 6. But I was targeting this low. That would have been like a 1 to 7 dang there. But all in all, you know what I'm saying, I still kind of feel good about today. I made back some losses. I'm only down 141 for the day. It was even more than that. But, you know what I'm saying, that one trade could have brought me all the way back and in profit, like at least $500 if I would have held it. Because it did that in a matter of like 8 minutes, I believe, if I would have just held it. Because I was thinking about holding it because I was on the phone talking and marking it up and looking at it. This mug happened in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes. 9 minutes. That mug just got the selling off. would have been a 1 to 6. And I wish I would have. I wish I would have did it. Like I wish I would have just brought it to the next stage after it hit a 1 to 1, put it to break even. 1 to 2, put it to 1 to 2, put it to a 1 to 1, and then just kept following it like that. And I would have made it to at least a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would have made it to a 1 to 5 by following it like that. I would have made it to a 1 to 5. And I had sized down. So it was like 128. 128 times 5. That would have been 640. So I would have still made like $400 something today. So yeah, I just want to come back and explain that. Even though we down on today, I still feel good about today. I don't know why. I just still feel good. Like, I mean, only other than that one dumb trade I took right here, I say it was the dumb. I mean, right here, I say it was the dumb one because of the higher highs it was making. If we wouldn't have took that one dumb trade, we'll be up on the day. There's always one dumb one that I need to correct, and I feel like I'll be all right. But yeah, man, that concludes today. NASDAQ Soldier. Yeah, we're gonna stay at it. We're gonna get more comfortable with everything, and we're gonna keep it going. We trying to protect our capital as much as possible. That's why we sizing down as we on this losing streak, and try to capitalize like that until everything start lining up. Just protect our capital as much as we need to. But yeah, NASDAQ Soldier. And I'm out. I'll be back tomorrow.